Welcome back to another squishy swaddle video. And this week I've decided, last week I did it 3 times, but I just want to do it every week because it is actually really fun to be trying new squishies. And my first one is this weird one. It's this right here. It's a water squishy and it feels really nice. And what it has inside of it is an eyeball, literally. An eyeball right there. And the eyeballs, if you just do this, you keep the eyeball like that. Sometimes it stays up if I just do that. Yeah, it stays up and then it plops back in. The next one are duos. So they are aquatic animals. So we have a whale squishy. It's not really a squishy, but it sort of is. It is hard to squish, but they're still really fun to play with and stretch. And the next one is a dumpling. This is no ordinary dumpling. This is a mini dumpling. So if I put my hand here, put it like that, look at the size comparison. This is really nice and fun to squish. I did actually, in fact, trade my big glitter dumpling away because it had an air bubble in. And what I traded it for were the aquatic animals and something else. Something really, 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 really cool. And it is this. A Jolly Rancher squishy. It's like a foam squishy. And it's Jolly Rancher, so you've got your blackberry, watermelon, apple, cherry, and I don't know what this one is, but I'm assuming it's grapes. And it's double-sided. It does in fact have like a tiny little hole right here. And if you do this, wind blows out of it. I don't know if it's strong enough to blow my hair. No, it's not blowing my hair, but that's fine. Okay. And my last one is this colour right here. Okay, I'm going to slowly start opening it. Okay, you have to guess what this is. Whoever thought it was a tabby paw or an axolotl, you are wrong because it's literally a Christmas tree. I don't know what these little gutters are doing on it, but that's fine because it is so satisfying. Oh, I traded this one for the dumpling because why not? Because my dumpling has a bubble in it. This is way much better to squish than the dumpling. Although the dumpling is more viral. My last squishy actually did pop. Well, it already had a hole in. Sadly, I traded it. I want to do a trade back, but the trade was including this dumpling. And I want to keep the dumpling, so I'm not going to do the trade back. I trade this and like a water squishy pig. And for my spike ball, I think that was a pretty even trade. But it came with this dumpling, and I feel that this dumpling was sort of a fair trade if it was just a dumpling for the spike ball, because I prefer dumpling squishies, and the spike ball was almost like a Nido. So that's going to be it of today's video. Maybe I could do another video about the pig squishy, but I'm not sure if I want to, because it could explode mid-while. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye.